Hey everybody, Ryegrass. Welcome back to 365 Days of Irish Tenor Banjo Tunes. Today we are on day 151. Uh, busy night. Had our last dress rehearsal for our VYF show before our show on Sunday. So I think I'm just going to do a quick one tonight. Quite a short tune in D Mixolydian called Rollin' in the Ryegrass. So like always, we'll do the first time through nice and slow, and then I'll try and do a bit of practice, bring it up to a moderate pace. Well, there you go. That was a pretty quick one, like I was hoping. So I'm not up all night, and we will see you all tomorrow. Slán!